Video we will learn what are the tokens. Tokens are basically these are the smallest individual unit in a programming languages. The term is common in all the languages. What is token? Token is the smallest individual unit, or in the simple language this is a small piece code that we are writing in a particular languages. And tokens is a combination of different terms. It is a combination of different terms. Terms means we are when we are writing a small piece of code in a programming environment, we are using all these terms. First term is keyword. Keyword means these are the system defined words. That means the programming, those words which are provided by the programming environment and we are using as it is in our programming language. Or you can use the word, these are the reserved words, or you can specify predefined words. One and the same thing, because we are not using it, we are using it as it is in our programming environment. Second is we can, for the time being, we can use, taken an example, print we are using as it is in the Python environment. We will see how we can use int function. After that, type also we are using it. There are other things also we are using, if else. There are so many words that we are using as it is in our programming environment, which are coming under the keyword things. After that, another term is identifier, and identifier means user defined words. That means a programmer who is writing the code create our own words so that he can develop the codes. So these words are created by the use programmer who is developing the programming code. And third is the literal. All these terms we will discuss in detail. Literals, these are the constant things, constant constant you can say things or symbols that we are using in our programming languages. Literals can be in the form of numbers, string, true or false form. All these things are coming under the literal category. Let's take an example for the time being so that we can understand the concept of literal. Suppose if I'm writing 13, that is a literal, but what type of literal? This is a number type literal. If I have written something in the programming language, hello, this is a fixed word which is coming under the string category. If I'm writing true, so true is also a fixed word. I'm not doing anything. Those words which are constant, that means once we have defined in the programming language, their meaning is same in all the throughout the program. And next is operators. Operators means by using these are the symbols which help us to do some operation, helps us to do some operations. For the time being, if we are doing some calculation, we are using multiplication operator. If we want to do some addition, we can use plus symbol. When we are comparing, we can use greater than. When we are uh, less than equal to, when we are comparing double equal to. So there are so many symbols that we will discuss in detail in upcoming videos. Or if you want, then you can see my cs2study.com website also. There you will see all the things. And last one is punctuators. These are the symbols. These are also the symbols we are using as a punctuation mark. Suppose square bracket, round bracket, curly braces, comma, colon, semicolon. All these symbols, these are we are using in our programming languages. So all these token is a smallest part that we are writing in a programming language, and we are using when we are writing anything, we will use either one thing from the token. Sometimes we are using only literal, sometimes we are using only operators, sometimes we are using operators plus identifiers. And in the other videos, we will see how we can use all these combinations. That's all for today's videos. Thank you. Do share my video and like also. Thank you.